every year, whenever we have been doing this Teachers Day campaign, we have decided that there should be a special award to some kind of a institution which is, out of the ordinary, or some personality who has taken communication to the next level. Last time when we did this, we had Sanjay Chakravarti sir, our advertising guru, whom we had specially called on the forum. This year, in this program, we decided that we should be honoring Visamo Kids Foundation with a very special felicitation, because this is an institution, and I know all the educators would be knowing about this. They would know what Visamo Kids Foundation, they have been taking ahead, they have been moving ahead the whole journey. Lot of the educators here are actually partnering schools with Visamo. So I will give a little quick brief about Sudeshna ji of Visamo. Sudeshna ji is a social development sector worker. She finished her master's in social work from Delhi School, University of Delhi, and she chose to be associated with grassroots organizations working on integrated rural development issues in 18 villages in the Barmer district in the Thar desert of western Rajasthan. After shifting to Ahmedabad, she has worked with several grassroots NGOs, international funding agencies, and with Government of Gujarat on health and family welfare HIV/AIDS control program. Since the last 5 years, she has been associated with the sector of education through Visamo Kids Foundation, an NGO running a shelter home for housing underprivileged kids in Ahmedabad. I consider Visamo Kids Foundation as a sector of dreams, as a sector of hope, as a sector of life. Thank you, Sudeshna ji, for being here today under your empowerment and with the help of your wonderful teachers, and the senior teachers. There are 103 kids enrolled in the organization. I also request all those who have attended here to go through the story of Visamo once. A chill will run down our spine. Sudeshna ji, I invite you to share your thoughts.
Namaskar. Thank you so much, Mujid da. Again, Ada. I mean, Dada is so common, so commonly used. So please don't think that he is elder to me or all. Dada is a great way of talking to anybody in Bangla. So basically, I would start with thanking PRSI for this amazing co-creation, collaboration, and partnership among diverse stakeholders. Flagging off Teachers' Day with Vijay Bharat Abhiyan, envisaging post-Corona India, alignment with the national movement of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India. This is indeed making the day very, very memorable and vibrant. We cannot co-create and we cannot co-create future if we live inside our heads. We have to expand reality by connecting with other people's realities. So that is what Visamo is basically doing. It's a shelter home, an organization set up in 2002 as a response to the earthquake that happened in Gujarat in 2001. We are, as Subhojita has said, that we are a home which provides amenable living conditions with medical, physical, psychological, developmental, cultural and educational facilities to the children who are housed at Visamo. And we are very proud that we are shaping lives, citizens of India, and we have seen Visamo grooming our students into sports enthusiasts. They have taken up professional education, engineering, medical, chartered accountancy. They have gone into NID, into performing arts, into social work, post-graduation in social work from Tata School of Social Sciences, Mumbai, into hotel management and different sectors. So basically, we are partnered with different schools. We are not a school, we are a home. So we are partnered with different schools many of our partners are right now there watching, and we are so thankful to them for making this possible. There are around 14 partnering schools, and there are NGOs, the grassroots level NGOs, which are helping us connect with the community and helping us expand our outreach, find the poorest of the poor family, and identify children from those families to come to Visamo on the basis of their merit. That's what Visamo is in a nutshell. We are aimed at empowering lives through access to quality education, environment, a safe environment which propels them towards a better future, so that each child is kind of confident and is able to stand and equal in the society. I won't take much time. It's already 6:30, and there are so many other speakers who I would like to hear. So with that, I would end here. Thank you again for this amazing honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Can we go to the next slide? So, dear friends, I am very excited to invite amongst us one of us who has been a part of PRSI Ahmedabad chapter family for almost last 3 years. When we did the Armed Forces program, here was one celebrity who stood with us on the dais, and he showed us some marvelous steps for all the army officers. I should say he does not need any great introductions, but I will like to mention a few things. That there is a, here is a celebrity who has been working on the development of Gujarati film industry. He worked with Swaroop Sampatji in a film called Saptapadi. I saw him act in a movie called Dhantya, and it was a real eye-opener, his acting skills. And when I used to, see some recent movies, I saw him acting in Super 30 with Hrithik. He was a part of Baghi 2 with Tiger Shroff, and I told him that now soon you will be having some bulging muscles. Can I have the next slide, sir? Can I have the next slide, please? Yeah, okay. So we know him as the Rajan. That's what I call him. He was the Rajan in the famous serial Tenali Raman. And now very soon we will be watching him on his upcoming serial, which has started in Star Plus, called Shadi Mubarak. So Manav sir, if you are there and if you can hear me, from my heart's content, we have been connecting with each other for some time now. I request you to, unmute yourself and please share your thoughts for Visamo Kids Foundation family. Manav sir.
Hello.
Yeah, Patik.
And probably because of time constraint, he might have dropped. We may have to wait by the time he rejoins.
I actually just admitted him inside. Has he?
Yes. But okay. I think he was waiting, and probably he had to drop because he might be falling short of time. We'll have to wait until he rejoins.
Okay, we will send him another message, and Sudeshna ma'am, awards and accolades will keep on coming to you. We will have to wait a little bit for this one, because I had promised you that somebody will be there to, take us through this journey. So just give us some time. We will get him again on board. Yeah, so you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is our PRSI National Council. We were blessed with the presence of a lot of them here today in person. We thank Dr. Ajit Pathak sir. Unfortunately, Nivedita ji, Dilip sir was not able to be with us due to some medical reasons, but we had all the other 4 NC members. We had also invited our chapter chairman, but like us, believe me, they are all busy right now conceptualizing programs, because at the moment we speak, PRSI Kolkata is doing a webinar with over 700 members in presence. At the moment we speak, Pushpinder Pal Singh sir from Bhopal is actually, in touch with UNICEF for the next move. At the moment we speak, our Dehradun chapter chairman, who is responsible for the interactions we have with Amit, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal sir, because, in his conference only we were able to listen to Dr. Pokhriyal sir in person, and then we took the entire relationship ahead. The next slide has our other chairpersons, of the other chapters. So Patik sir, if we can have the next slide, please. So we can see there, these are our other chapter chairmen and chairpersons who in their regions have been doing some great work. I am honored to have them as a team with me because they have been our gurus and mentors. We have learnt a lot from them. I request now all the attendees present here to please clap, to please honor Visamo on behalf of us. Let's honor Visamo, listen to the song, and ensure that the movement of Visamo is moves ahead like a guiding light. So Sudeshna ji, congratulations again, and we really are proud and happy to have you here with us today.
Thank you so much.
खेती बाड़ी सीख लोगे तो रोजी रोटी भी कमाओगे और वतन के काम भी आओगे। कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं।
Thank you so much, Sudeshna ji. I think this is a song which says that we will live with hope. We will all move together. I thank all of us who are there on this forum. I will also like to reinstill that in PRSI Ahmedabad chapter, we have chalked out a three-pronged strategy towards Vijay Bharat campaign. We want to keep on working with the educators who are motivating the young generation towards the Atmanirbhar and a strong Vijay Bharat. We wish to work with the entrepreneurs of this land, the SMEs, who will take us to that global level and give us our true identity. And we are always working in solidarity with the armed forces. We believe that whatever is happening around, we are all, we are able to sleep because they are awake for us. So that's why we are proud to have the Army School with us. We are proud to have Dr. Puneet Chadda, Wing Commander Puneet Chadda sir, who was with us. We are proud to have such educators. I will request Dr. Ajit Pathak sir if he can help us to sum up this whole discussion for today on the behalf of PRSI and bless us with his benign leadership. Dr. Pathak sir, please.
It is already 3 hours we have been together on this platform. My thanks to all the participants, all the academic leaders of the country who have been able to take out time to be with us. They are under pressure in these days of Corona to impart training and learning to students by using the technology. So they are hard pressed. They have the house responsibilities as well, but still they came and accepted our salutations, our respect. Once again, on behalf of Public National Society of India, I convey our gratitude and appeal to you that kindly extend your support and warmth so that we can take Vijay Bharat Abhiyan to the next level. Once again, thank you very much, all the participants, all the winners and organizers, Team Ahmedabad, Subhajit, RK, Mr. Bhagat and all others.
Thank you, sir. Wish everybody a great evening ahead and thank you all and wishing you all a very, very happy and wonderful Teachers Day. Thank you for all for being there in our lives. Thank you.